Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cracks Are Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha, and today in this video I'll be discussing about a really important concern of most of my viewers. Now most of my viewers are always worried about more practice material or some books to refer or some questions to practice, marathon kinds of things in which we can take up more and more questions altogether. So I thought about it, and we all know that all of us are in a busy schedule. We have more things to do apart from just studying for the examination. So of course, yes, we cannot dedicate the entire day for it, but at least keeping your needs in mind, I just came up with a single solution which can actually provide you some answers to the queries which you have put forward. Like, I have thought of coming live on the platform so that we can have a 1 hour long session in which we can discuss the questions related to the topics on which I have already created the video. For example, just let's take the TISSNET crash course which is currently going on my channel. So what have I done in the first video? I have taught you the basics and the theories of the different types of areas where you can spot the errors and the different ways in which you can correct the sentences. So and so on. So all these things were just a few examples. Now imagine you could connect with me for 1 hour in a live session where we can practice 30-40 more questions, and over there you would also learn how to apply the principles or the theories I have taught you in my YouTube videos and practice more questions with me, doubts. You can bring forward your doubts and we can discuss those doubts and questions on the live session. So this will eventually help you in that area. Along with that, other people also wanted the PDF files. So those who wanted some PDF material to be referred to, then they can surely go and check out the PDF sections which I'll be uploading on my live platform. And where am I going to come live? I have selected Unacademy platform to come live, but nothing to worry about the cost you have to pay, because you don't have to pay anything. It will be completely free of cost. The material, the live free classes, everything will be completely free. The only thing you need to do is to download the Unacademy app, sign up and search me, Priyasha Das, as a tutor over there and follow me. So I have decided to come up live on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So MWF, exactly at 11 AM in the morning, I'll be coming live and I'll be discussing the practice questions of the topics I have already taught in my YouTube videos. For example, error detection and sentence correction is the topic I have already taught you related to TISSNET crash course. So I'll be taking up that topic on Monday, that is 7th of February, exactly at 11 AM on Unacademy. So what you need to do after watching this video is check the description box, find my link over there where I'll be coming up live, and you can surely go and check out my live session over there. So connecting live will not only help you solve your doubts, but also you would be getting a chance of downloading the PDFs which I'll be sharing with you over there. The PDFs will have lots of questions in it to practice, which can form a revision for you as well. And just like that, you can actually talk to me in person over there. So this will be a great opportunity where I can also manage my schedule, my other work along with this, connect with you, solve your doubts, help you in your preparation, and also provide you some content to study. So if you found this video useful, please comment below and let me know. Like this video, share it with more and more people, guys, because that's how our family will grow stronger. And yes, of course, one very important thing, that don't forget to check the description of this video, because from there you will get a link to follow me on the Unacademy YouTube. And this is again the free platform, so don't worry about any cost you have to pay. You just need to watch my videos on YouTube and then the live sessions on Unacademy absolutely free. So nothing to worry about that. And so until we meet again, please take care and thanks for watching.